What if you scribbled an idea on a napkin and it became a limitless scale tech company poised for exit? What if you had a vision of eliminating an inefficiency in your community, industry, or the world, and you had a chance to co-found a company and bring this product or service to the market? What if we could positively impact every social issue with tech? 10x Tech Tank is the #1 daily show for everything tech entrepreneurship. And whether you are technical or not, you will learn, be inspired, and witness transformation in the making. People will share tech ideas on napkins. People will showcase minimum viable tech products. People will explain their cash-flowing tech companies looking for acceleration. And if the person is right, and their idea is right, and the market is right, and the business model is right, then there's a great chance you will witness some serious magic. We are on a mission to build, scale, and sell 10,000 tech companies in 10 years. And we invite you to make history with us. Together, we achieve more.
Welcome to 10x Tech Tank. Jared Yellin here and
Eric Nowoslawki.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Welcome. We are so excited to have you this evening. Thank you for joining us. If this is your first time, please let us know in the chat. Say tank. And if you're here regularly, we just appreciate you. Thank you so much for your commitment. We are here Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time, for an hour. And we have 4 entrepreneurs that are pitching us. They pitch us every night. Every night, their tech idea that's written on a piece of paper or a minimum viable tech product or even a cash flowing tech company. And our goal always is to say yes. We want to say yes, but we can only say yes if the right person shows up with the right idea in the right market and the right business model. Those are the 4 things we're looking for. And when we say yes, we go through a process with them. Off scene, where we go into due diligence. It's a pretty extensive process, right? It's me, it's you. It's Seth Winters, it's Dan Russell, it's our CTO, Mani Sundararajan, and we're going really deep into their vision. We want to make sure with certainty that we can build, scale, and sell this company. Because we have a moonshot, which is to build, scale, and sell 10,000 tech companies in the next 10 years. I know we're crazy, but we're more onto something than we are crazy. We do have an ask of you. As you're watching each night, please vote. Please share your sentiments around the idea, around the entrepreneur. We always make a call up here where we say, okay, yes, due diligence or no due diligence. We let you influence us as well. So please let us know what you think about each of these entrepreneurs. So let's see who's up first in the tank with us.
Yeah, good evening. Mohit Malhotra, this side from kazawaza.com basically.
Awesome.
Basically,
great idea.
Yeah, but our product is basically, we will provide an online platform where a customer who is in need of a loan, basically credit, generally lends our website and met with the bank. So basically, we will work as an agent between a customer and a bank, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but my product is basically, we will provide a web app, right, where a customer directly applies with the bank for his financial needs and gets a cashback on every loan sanctioned, right? So as you know, there are a lot of earlier problems as earlier arises. So the problems basically are customers are not aware of the process for applying to disbursement. As earlier, huge commissions are generally charged by the agent offline on the name of the bank, right? And the customers are also not clear about the status where the file has been, whether the file has been accepted or rejected. And unnecessary documents are also demanded from customer from time to time. As you know, there are a problem, so solutions are also there. So the foremost solution is we will provide the customer the cashbacks, right? Suggestions are also being provided to the customer on their credit score, as which bank they should apply, right?
Yep. You keep
Hello.
going. Yeah, you're good. You're good. We hear you. You just go through the pitch.
Okay.
We'll ask
So
questions.
basically, the suggestions will be provided to the customer basically on their based on their credit score. As we will provide the suggestions as which bank they should need to apply so that they will get fruitful results, right? So other is the customer will also get the particulars of every bank official to whom their file has been assigned. They will get all that. They will get the particulars details, right? The phone number, experience, etc. Right? And lastly, the real-time data of the file is also being provided to the customer, as in which stage the file is being right now, whether it is in operational stage or in selling stage, in which stage. So the next, let us come to the business model, revenue, which is the center of interest for all of us, right, sir? So Kazabazaar.com will basically work with the bank as an authorized sale agency and receive commission from bank on every loan sanctioned from our web application. Basically, we will get a commission from bank on every loan sanctioned, and some percentage will be shared on commission from the bank will be shared with the customer within 48 hours to win their trust, as although we will receive the same commission from the bank within 7 to 10 business days. Okay.
Yep, you're going good. You got one more minute, man.
Okay. Okay. So next is the basically the what are the competitive advantages? How we will be different from others? So here we will provide all the particulars of the bank officials, such as phone number, experience, customer satisfaction ratings, etc. of the bank official to whom their file has been assigned, right? Secondly, we will provide the cashbacks to the respective customer on their sanctioning of the loan. The cashbacks will be provided after the sanctioning. As we will receive the cashback, we will provide it to the customer. Some part from the earned commission will be provided to the customer, right? And lastly, we will provide the exact status of the progress of their case from time to time. So now what are the competitors? Let us talk about the competitors currently in the market. Here we are, the direct competitors right now are the Paisabazaar.com, Bankbazaar.com, and the indirect ones which generally operates in the lending, not in as an intermediate. They work in the lending of the cash. So these are the quickcredit.in and checkbook.com. Okay. So next is I will like to introduce the market plan. How we will
Let us ask you a few questions, Mohit. Let us ask you a few questions. So how long have you been thinking about this for?
Sorry?
How long have you been thinking about this idea for?
How long I am taking this idea for?
Yes. Yeah. Has this been years? Has it been weeks? Has it been days? How long has this been on your mind?
No, I am taking this for years even. I want to take it as long as I possible. That I want to take it.
What does Karza Warza mean? Is that just a made up word, or where'd that name come from?
Karza Varza is basically Karza means the credit. Generally in Hindi, in India, Karza means credit.
That's a fun word to say. Karza Warza. Can you say that word?
Karza Warza.
Karza means credit, right, sir? In Hindi, credit means Karza.
Okay, that's awesome.
And Varza means nothing, just to attract to have a name on the mouth of every person. Karza Varza.
Awesome. So is this a problem? Is this something that you're thinking is a problem predominantly in India, or is this something that like globally this becomes a solution?
Right now, I want to work right now firstly in India.
Got it. Okay.
So how is this? So are you just taking advantage of the current system and automating it? So the bank is paying out commissions for the loans, right? Are you just taking advantage of the bank's own commission structure and taking a person out of it so you can pay cash back to the user, or how is the business model actually working?
Okay, let us explain. So basically, how is it work? Generally, we will register with the bank as a direct selling agency. Here, bank provides a code, a special code to every special corporate agencies, and we will provide the files to the bank. Right? We will work on a commission basis to the bank, and in return, bank provides some commission to us on the sanctioning of loans. Supposedly, a person generally sanctioned a loan of one crore, right? Means around $1 million. A person has sanctioned a loan of $1 million. We will receive a 1% from the bank. And what I want to do is that I will share 20 paisa with the customer from it.
Okay. And so that slide that you shared before, are those partners or are those competitors? Like, where are you going to get the money from?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering too. Yeah.
Where will I get the money from?
Yeah. Where will you actually be able to get the money from to be able to loan?
For what money I didn't get you from? What money did I get? I need basically the money I need is for what money are you asking me?
No. Where are you going to get the money in order to underwrite the loans?
Sir, how do I get money from the bank? You are saying this?
To disperse the loans, yes.
Okay. So basically, as I told you that, sir, we will generally we will operate as a direct selling agency. A code will be opened with the bank. Generally, a special code will be provided with the bank, and an account will be opened with the bank to whom with whom we are going to operate. Like we are going to operate if with 10 banks, then we will get a special code from these 10 banks, right? And if any person who is willing to take loan from my side, he will apply directly on my side. A bank officials generally gets the notification that a customer has submitted the file. And generally, the bank official, the details of the bank official to whom the head office of the bank has assigned that file will be shared with the customer. And in after the sanctioning of the loan, the same amount will be some percent that will be decided by the bank will be provided to me, and after that I will provide the some percent from it to the customer's account. I will be provided in the form of cash, not I mean to say in the form of I will provide directly in the bank, not going to less down in the loan amount.
Got it. Okay, so Mohit, first off, wonderful job with your presentation and your passion. I'm curious, when the audience is here, if you are in India, because this is a solution for India, and we have a large population of people that do watch the tank on a evening basis, which is your morning, would you use this platform? Is this something that right now is just like missing in your life? You're like, oh, I really need something like this. So please share in the chat. Eric, what are your thoughts on due diligence?
So as far as due diligence goes, I think that Mohit here has probably identified a problem within the marketplace. I just have even more questions around the business model and then the overall marketplace in India as well. So I'm not a yes to necessarily move forward with due diligence right now, but someone on our team is going to be in touch with you to give you our 10-question document so that we can fulfill a larger scope of this. Because right now I just have too many questions around the business model and the overall marketplace.
Yeah, so we'll send that to you. Mohit, great job, man. I love the passion. I'm not a yes to move forward either. Maybe our chat will influence us, but we are a yes to send you these questions so that you can go deeper into the problem that you're solving and your solution to that problem as well. So we have a platform called Business Toolkit, which is really, that's what it is. It's the Business Toolkit. You need to check out this commercial because this platform is really disruptive because it's free. Check it out.
What if there was a simple business toolkit that got you paid by your clients, customers, and patients? What if you can set up your account in seconds and begin benefiting from all of the features in minutes? What if this entire platform is free? Business Toolkit is revolutionizing the way small businesses and sole proprietors are running their businesses by enabling you to manage your sales process from one platform from start to finish. Imagine canceling your expensive scheduling software, or discontinuing your clunky invoicing software, or eliminating your pricey task management software, and instead using one platform, your Business Toolkit, to drive your business forward. And don't forget, Business Toolkit is free. Sign up ASAP and begin saving money while you make way more money than ever before.
So it's not that Business Toolkit is just free, right? Like it is free, right? That's just crazy, but it's a meaningful solution. Like every small business owner will use Business Toolkit. So we just invite you to start using it today. Have it on businesstoolkit.com, set up your free account, go through onboarding. It takes a couple of minutes and you'll be off to the races. All right, who is our fourth entrepreneur this evening? Cody, where are you calling in from, my friend?
Cool.
What's up, Cody?
I'm calling in from New Orleans, Louisiana.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you for coming to the tank. Let's get this show on the road. You have 5 minutes. Please share your big idea.
Cool. So my name is Cody. I'm the founder at Ideators. If you're working in any B2B business, any industry that primarily serves other businesses, what's the number one thing your team needs to generate new clients and customers? Meetings with potential clients and customers, right? Without generating a consistent flow of meetings on your team's calendar, your business is destined to fail because you're not connecting and networking with new prospects you actually want to work with. Okay, so to get those meetings on your team's calendar, you need a solution that helps you find prospects in your target market and connects you directly to those prospects without wasting countless hours of your day manually prospecting for new leads. And that's what Ideators accomplishes. Ideators is the #1 toolkit for sales teams that allows businesses to instantly connect with key decision makers in their target markets without all the hassle. Ideators has already helped countless agency owners, founders, SDRs, and more book hundreds and hundreds of qualified sales meetings on their team's calendars every single day. The number one problem when it comes to prospecting for new clients and customers is getting directly to the decision makers. And that's why IC Leads helps businesses find key decision maker contact info very quickly and allows them to get right in front of their ideal clients and customers. Now, how is this done? Well, the typical way of reaching new prospects can be pretty exhausting. Manually sending emails, making annoying cold calls that rarely ever get picked up, spending countless dollars on ads that you don't even need to be running in the first place. Well, that's the old way of generating sales. We're in 2021, so things have changed. Now with IC Leads, you can build lists of prospects in your target market and automate outbound sales sequences to get your message across to them instantly. And the best part about IC Leads, it makes sales prospecting extremely easy and affordable for established businesses and businesses just getting started. I remember when I first started my agency, I was looking for tools that would allow me to get in front of the clients that I wanted to work with. Well, none existed at the time. So at that time, our primary method was spending hours and hours searching Google and LinkedIn for the contact information of our prospective clients and having to reach out to them manually. This is right around when I discovered the method of cold outreach. Cold outreach is a process that allows you to reach out to cold prospects in your target market and introduce yourself, provide value, pitch your services or products, and convert them into warm leads who are interested in paying you for your service or product. Before, cold outreach was difficult because there was absolutely no way to automate these messages being sent out. So you'd catch yourself spending hours and hours every single day just sending emails. And now there's cold outreach tools out there that'll solve one problem, but not the other. So businesses need to purchase multiple tools to find the leads that they need and send cold outreach sequences, which makes everything overcomplicated. Now, what if you have the ability to have all of the key decision maker contact data that your team needs and have the ability to automate cold outreach messages on multiple channels at a time, all under one single platform? That's where IC Leads takes over. We're trying to streamline the process of finding the decision makers in our users' markets and allow them to automate outreach sequences all under one roof. This allows businesses to instantly connect with their dream clients and customers and network much more efficiently. Our goal is to help many more businesses land new clients and customers they never even thought possible, while also making cold outreach much more scalable than it is today. Millions of dollars in deals have already been generated under the IC Leads platform to this day, and we want to make this available to more markets and help their businesses grow through cold outreach. And you may be wondering, how many markets can IC Leads serve? Now, well, any business that's serving other businesses can use IC Leads to connect with new clients and customers. So the possibilities and markets we can reach with this solution is pretty endless. With your help, we can make IC Leads the only toolkit sales teams need to streamline their sales processes and grow their businesses almost completely on autopilot and deliver this product to markets who absolutely need it. Our plan is to implement new features that the market absolutely needs yet is currently missing and streamline cold outreach workflows for all of the users on our platform. Along with the platform, I personally plan on building out content and training that helps our users understand how to actually use the platform, unlike other companies who just build the product and hope their users learn how to use it. And to get there, I need help from 10X to build this platform the way it needs to be built so we can 10X our user sales processes.
First thing, very well done. I think your soulmate showed up today.
Yes.
This is like Eric's soulmate. So I'll let you ask some questions. I'm sure that this is, you're like, oh man, this is my guy.
Yeah. So Cody, as you know, I buy a ton of data as well. And so when we're looking for solutions, we often look for solutions that are 10X better than the status quo. So how is IC Leads 10X better than other databases?
Yeah, so I didn't want to like tie this all into the 5 minutes. I wanted to save some of this for the questions here. So I think IC Leads is better than all of the other products because we're going to be innovating and we're going to make cold outreach much more scalable. There's a lot of technical things in the back end, like inbox rotation, AI first line, generated first lines for more personalization in the outreach copy. Better data than the large companies like Zoom Info, and they charge tons and tons of money just to use their platform. When we can do it a lot more affordably, and we could absolutely dominate the market, bring this to even freelancers who are just getting started.
Do you think you're best at what you do?
Oh, absolutely.
Think when you're talking about but you think this is going to be you are the best. Like come from that place of certainty, because I know that you are. I can tell. But unfortunately, get rid of those filler words. So those filler words don't serve you. What is the actual financial model though? So like a small business owner wants to buy data, wants to use this platform. Like I'm sure there's different tiers. Like what is the business model?
So it's a subscription SaaS model. Typically, how it works is we're gonna have a credit system implemented as well. So you're gonna have a monthly fee to use the product initially, like actually use the product, and our clients and customers are gonna be charged via credit. So let's say they need to pull like 200 prospects out of the platform. We're gonna bill them a specific a couple of cents per contact that they pull out of the platform.
Got it. Cool. Awesome. And then, so this already exists in some form, right? Like you're doing a version of this. Your vision is to build on top of what you're doing with more features. What's the current version? Like the people that are paying you today, what are they paying you for? Is it more data without all of this automation, or there's some automation?
Yeah. So the issue right now is the fact that it's not easy to navigate. There's something. I'm not a developer. I'm a marketer. I'm a salesperson. This is what I do, right? So I didn't build the product, but like what we have right now, we have a working product. You can find the emails of the decision makers in your market. You can automate outreach sequences, but it's not where I need it to be. Number one being the outreach sequences are very difficult to kind of manage right now. They need to be a lot more streamlined and easy to follow, because this is a new system. I don't think a lot of markets even understand what cold outreach is, other than, the sales teams, right? So we're just looking to innovate on what we already have and just build it much better.
Are you envisioning like templatizing some of the cold outreach and then dominating industry? Like templatizing cold outreach for chiropractors to get new patients, and then having programs that are specific to that industry as an example, and speak into that?
Absolutely. So something I wanted to integrate into the platform is something like templates, right? In different industries. Right now, we actually have the IC Leads cold email template directory that's already hosted. If you go look for cold email template directory, you'll find it. But what we want to do is we want to implement it directly into the platform. So let's say a chiropractor is using it for outreach, right? We want them to be able to just drop down, select like an outreach message template, and just fill in the blanks where, they need to personalize that message.
That's awesome. Cool. So to go to market with this at scale, you'd want to get some really strong relationship capital, probably industry by industry. Who would be the greatest accelerator that comes to mind for you? Like a person that if they stood on a stage and started preaching IC Leads, who would that person be?
I'm on Grant Cardone's show, man.
Cool. Sell me, as I'm Grant Cardone, sell me on why we should endorse you.
Oh, well, I think this would be the #1 sales tool that Grant Cardone can ever pick up on. I think his entire team.
Don't think, get rid of think, but keep going.
I don't know what his team looks like, but I think if he had the product that I envision that needs to be built out of what we already have, he'll probably see a lot of value in what we already have. But if he implemented these processes into 10x right now, simply for what he's doing, I think he'll see a lot of ROI on just using the product.
Awesome. So for everybody watching, would you want better leads? I mean, think about that, right? Leads is everything. So would you want more high quality leads by leveraging automation, leveraging data, setting up automated outbound sequences to cold people, like people you don't even know, right? Like how cool would that be to wake up as a chiropractor and have 6 new patients scheduled in your practice? Like how cool would it be to wake up as a graphic designer and have 3 appointments to learn more about someone's brand? That's what this platform is going to do. So how would you enjoy that? Let us know in the chat. Listen, this is your world, man. So what are your thoughts on due diligence?
Oh, I'm a yes for moving forward. Absolutely. Anytime anybody has a solution around getting better contact data and being able to sequence that cold outreach, I'm always a yes to hear more about it.
Cool. So I'm going to go through the process right now. So I'm a yes for the right person. So Cody, you're definitely the right person. With regards to the idea, I think there's a lot of depth we haven't been able to hear in the short amount of time. So I'm excited to hear more about the idea, like what distinguishes you from everybody else that looks and sounds like Cody with regards to the product that they're bringing to the market. The third is the market. I don't believe there's ever going to be too crowded of a market for high quality sales meetings. So there's going to be someone that dominates, and I have a feeling that's you. And I love the business model, SaaS model with the credit. I'm a yes to do due diligence. Congratulations, man. You did an awesome job tonight. Thank you for being in the tank with us. Please also vote in the chat. You will help influence us as well. But Cody, great job, man. So there we have it. another tank episode.
Yep.
Another tank.
Put it in the
episode.
books.
Another episode with 4 entrepreneurs from literally around the world. Right?
Yeah.
We had India on there.
Colombia,
Colombia.
Spain, and then Louisiana.
We
Yeah.
did. Louisiana. We did have Louisiana.
Yeah.
That is damn cool. But listen, we appreciate you. We appreciate you coming out every night because we do it for you. We do this because we want you to see what's possible. We want you to see other people that look like you and sound like you that have the courage to step up with a meaningful solution. There are inefficiencies across every industry, every country, and from around the world. And you can either be someone that complains about the inefficiency, you can observe the inefficiency, or you can disrupt the inefficiency. And we're looking for the disruptors. 10,000 tech companies in 10 years. 10,000 tech companies in 10 years. And I have this feeling that as you're watching tonight, you believe that you're meant to be one of them. So head over to 10xtechtank.com and submit your idea. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Our team will review it. And if we see potential, you'll be in the tank with us because we want to say yes. Like we want to say yes. We want to meet you. In addition, if you've not signed up yet, head over to 10xtechtank.com. Get on our list so we can give you a fun gift, an exciting gift, a meaningful gift, which is our perfect pitch kit. This is what we do when we pitch. This is what we teach our founders to do when they pitch, and we're going to give it to you for free. Love and appreciate you always. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Which napkin will become the next exit? Which MVP will evolve into a unicorn? Which cash-flowing tech company will reach the next level? Our hope and desire is that it's yours. Your idea, your MVP, your cash-flowing tech company. Now is your time. Head over to 10xincubator.com and submit your idea so that you get on the tank and give us the chance to transform your napkin into an exit. That's 10xincubator.com. That's 10xincubator.com. Let's go.